It's a kookaburra eating. Oh,
Scared the kookaburra. Why?
yeah, they are there. Are they coming back?
No, no, puppy.
The cook.
That's the only way I get them back is to put some.
Hey, Asher, where are you going, boy?
We're going to the beach.
Huh? Are you going to have a paddleboard with mom? Yeah. And that's mom, Joe's mother, and Asher, and Shasha. They're going somewhere. It's a nice day, right?
Yeah.
It's a nice day. We are at the Coromben, Talibojira Creek. Woo! A nice day.
Which way do you want to go, darling?
Towards the ocean, please.
Okay.
Toward the ocean.
You
Wow.
want Mildred to put that in the car?
Yeah, we leave everything with her.
Yeah,
Yeah, she's gonna take a video of me turning off.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can go on ahead. I will do my best to catch up.
So we are just here, guys. It's a beautiful day. Swim? Asher? Asher is swimming. Wow, Asher swimming.
Look at the light.
Swim. Asher swimming. Whoa! Yeah. Swim to mom. Swim to mom.
Likes to do it. He's not all this time.
You swim to mom. Are you not swimming?
No. I'm going to the
Ah,
library.
yeah, because you're going to the library. Yep. Oh no, they're fighting.
Yeah.
What is it? What is it? You see? Even the birds, they're also fighting. How much more down? Oh, don't fight. Oh. Oh no. Don't fight. Oh no. Oh. No, that one there is very unknown. Wow. It's a big fight. Stop it. Stop. Stop it.
Nah, they're not even scared. They won't even
Stop. Oh no.
They're fighting.
Hey. Wow. Hi guys. Just getting a video of these guys here eating the sunflower. It's just so amazing, guys. Very nice. Whoa. Early morning. That's the cockatoo. These birds are the cockatoo. And they are just so lovely birds. So what they do is they put all their sunflower seeds there. So sunflower seeds, and then the birds will just come to eat early morning or anytime they want. That's the cockatoo. I hope I don't scare them. They look so pretty. So pretty, guys. It's really nice. Look at them. So nice. Very nice, guys. So many birds. Welcome. Very nice. That cockatoo went. They went. Guys, look. There he is.
I thought your mama was going to change the nappy.
They're not looking at you. They
Yeah.
really can't eat it.
Okay.
They don't see. You've got to have both eyes looking at you. I've only got one of them.
Asher, don't move.
Come on. Alright, scared.
He's scared.
You're scared. Yeah. Come on.
Whoa, it's a good catcher.
Oh yeah, you can catch them all right.
It's amazing. That's the kookaburra. Kookaburra. That's a kookaburra, boy. Hmm? How about the other kookaburra? Not coming down.
Oh, this is the one that's usually scared. That one there, he's been put off by just being scared away from you on the camera.
Okay. That's really good.
There you go.
Oh.
Get that slack, boy. Yeah,
Oh.
he's had enough.
You have enough. That's what Dad said. Put the mince. Hi guys, that's our dam at the moment, and it's a lot of ducks. Can you see the ducks? So it's just the wild ducks that comes here in our place, and it's just so many. So, and that's the flower there, just in our dining room. You can see from outside. And so many ducks. And those white ducks, those are ours. The 1, but the black, they are just visiting in our dam. So that's it, guys. Here, it's a beautiful dam.